Want to turn on your camera in Microsoft Teams. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable your camera before or during a meeting, choose the right camera, and troubleshoot it if your video doesn't appear. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and join a meeting, or open the pre-join screen before entering one. You'll find the camera control near the meeting controls. If you're still on the pre-join screen, select the camera button to turn your video on. When the camera is enabled, you should see a preview of your video before selecting Join. Already in the meeting, move your mouse to show the meeting controls, then select the camera button. If the camera is off, selecting it will turn your video on for the meeting. If you have more than one camera connected, open the camera settings or device options and choose the camera you want to use. This is useful when switching between a built-in webcam and an external USB camera. If your camera isn't working, check your Windows privacy settings and make sure Microsoft Teams is allowed to access the camera. Also close other apps that might already be using the webcam. For a laptop, check whether your webcam has a physical privacy shutter or a keyboard camera switch. If you're using an external webcam, make sure the USB connection is secure. Yeah, these simple checks can fix a lot of camera problems. Once the camera is enabled, check your video preview. If you can see yourself clearly, your camera is ready. You can then continue the meeting and turn your video on or off whenever you need. And that's how to turn on your camera in Microsoft Teams. Enable the camera before joining or during the meeting, select the correct device, and check your permissions if it doesn't work, so you're ready to go on camera.